As you may have heard, we're building a fiber network in your community. You've probably even seen some of our trucks around town. Our new fiber infrastructure will deliver the fastest and most reliable internet available in the area, and we're excited to light it up and bring you services. There are 7 stages to deploying a fiber network. Stages 1 and 2 are all about planning and preparation. We call these stages Make-Ready Engineering and Make-Ready Construction. It can take up to 18 weeks to examine existing infrastructure and get it ready for added fiber lines. Then construction can begin. Stages 3 and 4 consist of fiber construction and splicing. The construction team will bury fiber cables underground and string it from poles to connect your home to our fiber hut. This process can take up to another 14 weeks. You may see us digging holes during this stage. When we're done, we'll return all sidewalks and green spaces to the way we found them. Once the network is built, we can prepare to deliver service with the final 3 stages: service drop, drop splicing, and installation. Our team will add a drop to boxes in your neighborhood so that we can bring high-speed internet services into your home. This can take another 6 weeks. After all these stages are complete, we can light up the network and our installation team can hook up your home to receive service. Building a fiber network takes time, but once we're done, you'll be able to enjoy super fast internet speeds for years to come. To receive updates and get hooked up to fiber internet as quickly as possible, visit our website and sign up today. We can't wait to get you connected.